Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade burgers. Let's begin. I'm here at supermarket to buy the beef, minced beef. There you are. Here's the beef that I bought and it's going to be minced. Let's go, let's go. I'm going to buy other things like tomatoes, onions, pickled. I have to buy also some breadcrumbs for my burger. Breadcrumbs, where are you? Left, right, right, left, left, right. Where are you, breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs. There you are. Breadcrumbs. I've done my shopping, so let's go home now. The ingredients are mincemeat, half kilo beef, breadcrumbs, egg, salt, dried oregano, small onion, garlic. So let's start. Let's make first the burger. Let's add the salt. Let's add the dried oregano. Let's add the egg. And we will red the onion. Let's shred it direct to this bowl so we don't make too much mess at home. After shredding the onion, you could also add crushed garlic or shred the garlic. Me, I prepare it shredded. Be careful when you do shredding so you won't cut your hands or fingers. Let's peel the garlic. Now let's start shredding it. As I always say, onions make me cry, but I'm not sad, so I'm not going to cry. But this time I'm crying. I'm crying. This red onion makes me cry. Okay, that's one garlic. Let's add the second one. It's not easy to peel garlic unless you could hit them first, you crush them first. Let's do the shredding of it. So there you go. Now let's add the breadcrumbs slowly, slowly, and start doing our mixing. We have to add the breadcrumbs to make them thick and not slippery on our hands. Let's add some more breadcrumbs. Okay. Homemade burgers are better than the takeaway or from outside because you know that you fix it with your own hands. Okay, there you go. Let's see. It's okay now. It's not sticky. All right. Now let's make our burger. Do not press it hard so it won't be like stone. Voila, there you go. Now let's fry the burgers. Wait until the pan is hot so it won't stick. Anyway, this pan is non-stick. Now the pan is hot, so let's pour some oil. I use this normal oil, not olive oil in this case. The oil is now hot, so let's start frying the burgers. I like my burger with bacon, so let's fry the bacon. You can do them separately or together. Since there's a space in this pan, you could just do them simultaneously. There you go. Bacon. Our burgers are now ready. And the bacon ready as well. Now, the rest of the ingredients are cheese, lettuce, iceberg, or any kind of lettuce, pickled cucumber, onion, tomatoes, I have washed them already, buns, mayonnaise, ketchup. Now let's cut our tomatoes. Should be thin and round according to the shape of our buns. Voila! Let's do the same with onion. Should be round as well, so as to take the shape of our buns. Round, round, and circle. Now let's cut some pickles. Pickles. Yummy, yummy. Put fresh cucumber, but me, I like it like this because it has a sweety taste. Okay. I cut it lengthwise so as to make it long. Alright. there's no waste in it. Let's try it. Yummy. And the lettuce, you can cut it with your hands. Like this. So now we're ready to have our burger. Prepare the buns or the bread. It's already cut, but I like it cut well. And I remove some of its middle so that I could put here the burger. Not much, don't remove much. Okay, here it's okay, but on the top you can remove it. Remove a bit of it so that you could put here there the meat. Okay. Our buns are ready. And let's warm them. Repeat. The rest of the ingredients are iceberg lettuce, cheese, pickled cucumber, tomatoes, onion, buns, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Now our buns are ready. Let's start putting them one by one. Me, I put first mayonnaise. Put mayonnaise. Yummy. Spread them all over evenly. After putting mayonnaise, let's put iceberg lettuce. Put as much as you like. I always say, according to one's preference. And then let's add cheese. Let's add some pickles. Yummy. Tomato, onion, of course the burger, and bacon. I put another layer of pickled cucumber. Let's spread mayonnaise on the other side of the bun as well. Spread them well. Now it's nearly ready. Spread, spread, spread all over. Yummy. Our finished product. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Until my next upload, this is Jane Jarvis and thanking you always. Thanks for watching.